to the channel, everyone. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, I'm happy to have you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of the best crispy breaded chicken breasts. Let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, crispy breaded chicken breast. But first, I need to make myself some breadcrumbs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use fresh bread to do so. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these up. And then I'm going to transfer them to the rubber coop. So I'll be using my small rubber coop. So I'm going to bliss half and then I'll bliss the rest. So to complete your dish, you need 2 chicken breast fillet, and the spice I'm using is I'm using some all-purpose season. In here, a bit of salt, a bit of garlic powder, and black pepper. You're gonna need also some flour. Go ahead, make sure you season your flour. Bit of all-purpose salt and pepper. Just get it in. Always make sure you season your flour. So I'm gonna set this aside. Next thing I'm gonna do, I have a chicken breast here. So get yourself a knife. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this across like so. Now you can flat it out if you want, or you can just cut it that and you get, so that's 2. The next thing you can do is get yourself a mallet. You can just tenderize it a bit. Flip it over on the next side. And what you do, season again. We season it, both sides, flip them over. Season again. Then we repeat the same process. So in this bowl, I'm going to use 1 egg. I'm going to add a bit of milk. I'm going to season also. So get yourself a fork. So how this is going to work now, you're going to dip this in and put all of them in. Then you're going to get your flour. You're going to dust it with the flour. After you do that, you just get another plate and you put this on. Then we're going to repeat the same process. So we're going to go to our second phase. And the next phase is we're going to dip this back in. Now this next step is I'm going to take this now and I'm going to put this in the breadcrumbs. And what I'm going to do, I have some other breadcrumbs. Just go ahead, sprinkle it over. It's always good to leave one hand dry. So I'm going to press it in. Make sure they're stuck on properly. Like so. And then we're going to take this, get another plate and just put it on it just like so. Then we're going to repeat the next process.